Pastoral systems of raising animals is responsive to the ebbs and flows of local forests, local water bodies, local grasslands. They are not fueled by manufactured and factory processed animal feed and water transported over long distances. So essentially, this is a system in which animals move and go to plants, rather than one in which animals stay stationary and plants are moved and taken to them.
In this system, the number of animals actually adapts to the availability of resources. You know, we hear a lot about overgrazing and so on, but that is actually not the right way of looking at it, because if animals are not fed additional food, then there's always a balance between the availability of land and the number of animals. So if there's a very little rainfall or a drought, then the numbers adapt naturally. You know, there's no, maybe some old and weak animals die and young animals are not being born, or animals aren't becoming pregnant. And you probably know that dry lands are characterized by a lot, not just by absolute small amounts of precipitation, but also by a lot of fluctuation between years. You know, you have maybe 2 or 3 years with very little rainfall, and then you have a year or two with very high rainfall. So the animal numbers always they kind of follow that. If after a drought there's a year with good rainfall, there may not be enough animals to eat all the vegetation that's available. And so it fluctuates. And that's the fantastic thing. You know, it's a way of keeping livestock in tune with the availability of resources, basically just like you would have in nature.